Now I want to be on full-on focusing mode, so I will not be talking through this tutorial. But before we get started, I want to share a few little things with you that I made and tell you how I made them in case you want to go ahead and make some of these prosthetics. We have an eyebrow. We will use this to cover up our eyebrows. And this was just made with Polymer Clay, where I flattened it down on a flat surface and then I covered it with liquid latex, simply with a paintbrush, and then I blow dried it so that it would dry faster, and I did about 3 layers here. Probably something as thin and flimsy as this, you're not going to get much life out of it, so it might be a one-time use, so you might want to make a couple sets in case you have a couple of parties to go to. Next, we have Valek's nose. I did the best I possibly could shaping this with Polymer Clay as well, and I didn't bake it. I wanted to just get the shape, and then I covered it with latex again, just with a paintbrush, and let it dry, blow dried it a few times. There's about 3 layers on both sides, so I did just layer one side at a time, let it dry, and then I kind of held it, painted the other side with the latex, and then I did the inside of the nose just so it will hold that shape of the Polymer Clay that I was looking for. I think the shape isn't bad. We will get much better effects once we start with our makeup. Okay, so let's get started to transform into Valek from The Conjuring.